Yeah, it's recording. I'm in here today. I'm always looking up because I don't know how far down I got the camera. But anyway, good morning. It's morning here. I'm just sharing what my husband and I have stocked up on because the pandemic and more. But we just stocked up on some more cooking oil, and we got the Kool-Aid, and we got some Gatorades, we got some orange juice, different juices, and water and all that kind of stuff. And my shelves need rearranging because I have so many canned goods. I need to, I have to go through my shelf, not need to, I will be going through my shelf and organizing my canned goods and put them in order, because right now the way I got the shelf stacked, I can't find anything. And I guess you guys can see behind me the oil, Crisco, and the Kool-Aid, and all my little seasons and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just right now get ready to show you guys what I need to do to the cabinet. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, everything is out of order, disarray. I got everything all over the place, and I don't even show y'all what's on the floor. It's just a hot, big, hot mess. Everything, water, all this stuff is out of order, and I have to fix it. So see this shelf right here? I have to fix this shelf. And this is all the oil that we got stocked up on. And Kool-Aid, I have Gatorade and all that stuff. I just took pictures. We have several crackers and some graham crackers. Easy on the carbs because of the spike in the blood sugar. So okay, but that's it. Just want to come in here quick. And then I got this garlic because I order online. When you order online, they give you 2 of them. So I'm glad because now I don't have to worry about garlic. This garlic, I love this garlic right here. Remember Mark? So we got stocked up on garlic. And I still got my grits. I got my the flour, that self-rising flour I showed you guys in a previous video. And these are the honey made crackers. We got a few of these. That's the pancake mix. I'm going in dark territory. I got to get out of there. Still got that unmentionable Aunt and Mama. They about to stop that because got that black lady on that box like that. But anyway, we have to rearrange our shelf. And I guess the next time I come back in here showing y'all a grocery shopping haul, stock up, storing food because of pandemics and whatever other kind of crisis might occur and stuff like that. We having rolling blackouts over here. I know if they rolling blackout around here and stuff, because they have been doing it, somebody gonna pay for all this meat I got stacked in my freezer. And so. But anyway, that's all I want to share. I'm gonna have to do my shelf. I got sweet peas, diced tomatoes, fruit cocktail. I have my monk sugar. Just a few things. I still got Louisiana, that fish fry stuff. And we got plenty of noodles. I got this rearrange my noodles. And we have plenty of, about a case of paper towel, case of toilet paper. I got them boxes of stewed tomatoes. It's boxes all in here, you guys. Boxes. Not even out the cans, not out the boxes. That I want to take out. Like all this right here got to be rearranged because they just put in here any kind of way. And my seasonings right here, they just stacked up there any kind of way. And I got these big old giant containers. What is that? I don't know, the gallon size, I guess. The big old containers. But anyway, everything need fixing. I got the Heinz. Wait a minute. I got the Heinz yellow mustard. We got a few of those. And the Heinz barbecue sauce. That's a big old thing of black pepper. But anyway, let me get out of here. We just got to rearrange our shelf, and hopefully I'll come back in time. Now, I know y'all waiting on me. Some of y'all anyway, not everyone. I did that looming stuff. I'll be back in a minute. I'm waiting on something. But all my little things, I got to do a gardening video. I'm just behind on everything. It's just so hot in Southern California. I'm just sweating. My daughter is visiting places. She just said that some woman said they got swamp butt. And I know it's swamp. I didn't even have to guess swamp butt. Her butt was, what, sweaty and icky swamp butt. That is so funny. But anyway, look, I'm just going all over the place. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Pandemic grocery shopping haul, plus food stocked up because of all that went on. And thanks for watching, and welcome all the new people, and welcome back all the people that continuously support me no matter what. Love you. God bless you, and have a beautiful day.